Hey everyone, this is Ankita Mallick here, back again with another video, and in this video I created this makeup look using new products that I ordered from Nykaa during the Independence Day offer, and I'm also gonna give the review on all the products. So these are the products I used and each product cost me below 500 because of the offer. So if you wanna know about all these products, then please continue watching. So these are all the products. I tried to buy a full face of makeup products for this video. I couldn't find few things to make a full face of new makeup, but we still have some, so let's begin. I'm starting with a clean face, and this video is the reshoot. Yes, I had already filmed it once and the makeup was horrible, and I will tell you why. I usually go with a proper hydrating skincare before my makeup because I mostly use matte foundations, and it completely spoiled my entire makeup. So this time I'm not gonna do this. Instead, I'm gonna start with nothing on my face and jump directly into the face primer, and I'm gonna tell you why. So for the primer, I'm using the Colorbar Flawless Finish Primer, and this is how the packaging looks like. Now that this is the second time I'm using it, I noticed few things. First, it's very hydrating, so you don't have to go with tons of skincare products before your makeup. A good single moisturizer will do the work, and then you can go for this primer. Second, it does not blur out your pores but still gives your makeup a smooth base for good application of the makeup products. Next product is the Facescanada Weightless Matte Finish Foundation, and this is how the packaging looks like. I ordered the small size because I wanted to try it out and see how it works, but I'm not gonna apply this now. Before this, I'm going to use a concealer. For that, I'm taking the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in shade medium, and I'm gonna apply it on my under eyes and cover up those dark circles. And I'm applying it on the places where I have few spots like this, you can see. So I'm gonna cover up those little spots on my face with the help of the concealer first, and I will tell you why in few minutes. And I'm also using the concealer to reduce the darkness on my eyelid. Next, I'm using a damp beauty sponge to blend in the concealer that I have applied. Now I'm not spreading it, but just dabbing the sponge on the exact places where I have applied the concealer to help it cover up those spots. Okay, now that we are done with the concealer, I'm gonna use the foundation. So this is how the foundation looks. Like the name says, it's weightless, so the consistency is very liquid and you cannot blend it with your fingers or sponge by dabbing it. That does not work. The only way is to blend it like a cream, like this. It just has that tint to it and adds a glow to your skin when you apply it. Don't worry, it does not have the glitter particles. So this is how much I took for my face, And now what I'm gonna do is apply it on the rest of my face where I have not applied the concealer, just to even out my skin. Honestly, I wouldn't have done this if it wasn't for this video because the shade does not match my skin tone, but I wanted to show you how it works and how you can apply it if you have spots on your face like me. It will work beautifully on a clear glass skin. Like if you have zero spots and you have a dry skin, then this foundation will fit perfectly for you, because it says it's a matte foundation but it really isn't. The formulation is very dewy, so if you have like extremely dry skin or if you are looking for a liquid tint, then this is it. But I personally did not like this foundation. This is the reason why I don't buy products which are below rupees 400 or 500. I mean, Colorbar is a good brand. I have heard good reviews about it from the influencers, but this product is a no-no for me. But if you want to give it a try, then go for it, considering the points I mentioned. Next, I'm gonna use the Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade Light Medium to mattify and set my entire face. And for that, I'm using this flat brush. So I'm just gently dabbing the brush on all the places I have applied the concealer, and then just used little bit of the powder to mattify the areas that get sweaty, mostly the T-zone area. And I also used the powder to set my eyelid to make a perfect base for the eyeshadows. So now I'm done with the makeup base, and this is how my skin looks. Next product is the Maybelline New York Define and Blend Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Natural Brown, and this is how the product looks. It has this brow brush on one side of it and the pencil brush on the other side. So first I'm gonna use the brush to set my brow hairs in its place. And then use the pencil side to fill in the gaps I have in my brows. I really like this brow pencil because first, thankfully I ordered myself the correct shade, and second, it's not very harsh. Like, it gives you that natural finish to your brows and you cannot go overboard with this. Very smooth application and yet controlled amount of pigmentation that gives you a very natural looking brows, and that's what I loved about this. So definitely a yes. So I did my eye makeup off camera, and the next product I'm going to use is this Colorbar Intensely Rich Kajal, and I'm gonna apply it on my waterline and on both of my upper waterline. This is like any regular kajal, nothing intense, a good one for daily makeup look. Next, for the mascara, I'm using the Nykaa Lash Talk Super Sizer Volumizing Mascara. But before I use it, I'm going to curl up my lashes using a lash curler and then use the mascara. I really like this mascara. It's very unique. It feels very light on your lashes and still adds a good amount of length to your lashes, and also you can gradually build up the intensity of the mascara on your lashes, and also it's very easy to remove. You won't have to torture your lashes, so I really liked it, and obviously a yes for this mascara. Now the next product is the K Beauty contour stick. Oh my god, I cannot believe I finally have one product from this brand. This is in the shade Caramel Focus. I was waiting to have at least one K Beauty product and finally here it is. This is how the product looks, and obviously you all already know how it looks since the day it got launched. I mean, come on, it's the Katrina Cafe, and all her products are so simple and easy to carry around anywhere. And I'm going to contour my face with this. I have heard so much good things about K Beauty products. That was why I was waiting to try it out, and girl, all the reviews were so damn true. The product is beautiful and I'm being 100% honest with you all. The application is so smooth, it melts like butter into your skin. Very easy to blend, you don't have to put in a lot of efforts or time into it. Very time consuming. The only thing is you need a sharpener to sharpen it in order to continue using it. Other than that, it's just a very beautiful product to have with you and very travel friendly, so definitely a yes for this one. Next product is this Biotique Natural Makeup Starstruck Matte Blush. This is in the shade Sun Kissed Tan, and this is how the product looks. It's a matte blush, so I ordered it, and oh my god, this is my second favorite product out of all these products, and you're gonna see why. You just need to touch the product and that is it, and it just gives enough pigmentation in that one touch. You don't need to swirl your brush on the pan in order to make it stand out. You barely need to touch it and it's gonna give you that sun-kissed effect, exactly like its name says. I loved it so much. Out of all the blushes I have, this one definitely gonna be my favorite. And if you feel you went overboard with your blush, just use a damp beauty sponge and dab it all over the places you have applied your blush, and that's gonna reduce the pigmentation. Now the next product is the Swiss Beauty Brighten Face and Body Highlighter, and this is in the shade 02 Rose Gold. And this is how the bottle looks. The bottle is quite heavy and it has a pump attached to help you pump out the amount you really need. So this is just one pump of the highlighter and is a lot, let me tell you that. Since it's a face and body highlighter, so if you wear such sleeveless or off-shoulder tops and dresses, then you can go for such highlighters to highlight your collarbone area and around your shoulder to add glow and make it look glossy. Now talking about the review about this product, yes, it's very highlighting. It can give you that blinding glow, but it has that tiny little glitter particles which clearly shows up on your skin, and I don't find it very flattering. Since I have also used the Nykaa liquid highlighter and that is not the case with it. The Nykaa liquid highlighter is a very beautiful highlighter and blends beautifully into your skin, but this doesn't. If you use a brush to blend it out, it won't work. I have already tried it when I first used it and very difficult to blend it with a brush, so I used my fingers to blend it out here. And honestly, I'm okay to use it for my makeup videos, but I am definitely not gonna wear it out. Definitely a no for this product. Now the last product is the Facescanada Weightless Matte Lipstick Combo, and this is the packaging. So it has two shades in it, which are Subtle Mauve and Peach Candy. So I'm gonna use Peach Candy first and show you how it looks. And like the name says, it's weightless and feels very light on the lips, and it's not completely matte but is a creamy matte lipstick. And this is how it looks. The other one is the shade Subtle Mauve, and this is how the shade looks. So this was it for this video, and I loved the finish of this makeup and it's okay. And this is the complete makeup look. I really hope you liked watching this video and the makeup look, and also my honest review about all these products, and I hope it helped you in choosing what's best for you. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button and also to share this video with your girlfriends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet for such beauty videos, and I will see you in my next. Bye.